Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another craft project for Chinese New Year, and this time I made this DIY lantern with Cricut Maker. This was the first time I used Cricut foil transfer kit, and I'm impressed with how versatile the end result is. So after I arranged all the files in Cricut Design Space, the first step was using the foil transfer kit. So I put the tool in Clampy. I used regular cardstock paper, then stick the foil sheet on top of that cardstock. Make sure to put the tape around the edges of your foil sheet. And this is how the flower looks like after you're done. Next, I change the foil transfer tool with this scoring wheel. With this tool, it will make folding the lantern easier because you can see the crease clearly on your project. And for the last step, I change the scoring wheel to fine point blade to cut the lantern. And this is how the outer part of the lantern looks like after you're done. Next, I'm gonna make this flower wreath from gold vinyl, and I will put this underneath the first layer of the lantern. And you will need transfer tape to transfer the vinyl design onto the cardstock. I use the scraper to make sure that the vinyl stick properly to the tape. And this is how it looks like after you remove the tape. Then I'm gonna stick this onto a small piece of cardstock. And again, I'm using the scraper to make sure that the vinyl stick properly on the cardstock. Alright, next I'm gonna glue this vinyl design on the inside part of the lantern, and I use this foam cardstock to give dimension. Then I will glue this tiger print that I drew in Procreate apps underneath the vinyl flower. The next steps after this is very easy, you just have to glue the parts together. If you're interested to make your own Chinese New Year decoration, I have these printable PDF files as well as SVG and PNG files for Cricut user on my Etsy shop, and it is also available on my Creative Fabrica shop. So if you're interested to make your own, you can check the link in the description box below. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft with me video, and see you next time. Bye!